Hey everyone, welcome. I started a video and somehow it got smacked. My phone did that I'm recording on right now. I should be using my GoPro, but I need to charge it up. But anyways, we're starting off with 2 placemats. You can leave them the same exact size. You're going to take the top half of it, fold it over, and press it on the top of both of them. Fold it over approximately 2 inches, sew along that. Then you're going to take 2 pieces of ribbon, 4 inches each. You're going to loop them, like fold them in half. Put your placemats together, right sides together. You're going to pin these ribbons inside here on both sides towards the bottom. As you can see right here, bottom sides. You're going to put these together. Then you don't want to sew the top part up. You're going to start your stitch right here. Stitch down, across the bottom, color up the other side. Stop right here. So let's go ahead and start that. I got these placemats at Dollar Tree. I always back stitch on the little pieces of ribbon. Make sure they're held good and tight. One thing about using these placemats from the dollar store is the inside of them is like lined, the back side of them. So it's like you have a lining in your backpack. You want to take the bottom part of it and clip the corners. Don't clip where you sewed at, just clip the corners off. As you can see, I'm going to take my bag. You should have an opening because remember, you don't want to sew across the top of it. Cut these strings off. Take my bag and flip it right side out. That's the reason you cut the corners out, so your bag will have a nice smooth corner to it. You will see you have the 2 loops down here on the bottom. That's going to be for your string. Your rope, should I say. I went to Joann Fabrics. They sell a really good deal on the rope. And you need 2 pieces of the rope, so I cut it at 59 inches long. So you're going to use 2 safety pins. You'll take one safety pin, put it through the rope towards one of the ends. You're going to take your rope, thread it through one part of this. At a time. As you can see, it's threaded through this part. I'm going to take it, put it through the other side of it. Fix my pin. Go ahead and thread it through the other one. I have it coming through both sides. So this rope is hanging from this end. I'm going to take my other pin, do the same thing, but start it on the opposite side. Because you want your rope hanging on this side because you already got one. So I'm going to take and put it through here. That's why once you take the top of your placemat and you fold it over, you want to fold it over like 2 inches, press it down, and then sew it. That way you have plenty of space to run both of your ropes through. As you see, then I take this pin, run it back through the other side. There you have it. I have rope hanging off both sides. I'm going to take the safety pin off. See the loop down at the bottom. The rope that's hanging on that side. I'm going to put one of them through here. And I'm going to tie this right here. Tie it in a knot. Trim the edge off. This placemat, I'm going to take the other side, do it the same way. This placemat that I actually got from the dollar store can wipe it off, put it through here, tie it. So it's more like a waterproof one, which is good, perfect for a little kid. But you don't have to use placemats. I got lots of fat quarters. I made a real nice one yesterday. It turned out beautiful. This one's a little bit smaller. But you can use any type of material or whatever you like for it. But as you can see, the rope's down hanging on both ends. and you want to tighten it up, just do that. I'm going to take and put this inside out and press it straight. Press it. Get my string nice and straight. But a little backpack, and then you just put it on their back. And it's really cute if you need to carry something small, because this is made a little bit smaller. But, and you just wipe this right off. The rain won't hurt it or nothing. There you have it. If you like my videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Until next time, take care.